Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here you can see I have got some interesting results from Adsterra platform. First of all, let me refresh this page. Here you can see my result. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the top method that you can use to get some interesting results from Adsterra platform. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Guys, I have used different methods to get this result. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of those methods. But here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can create account on this platform. Now you can type your prompt. You can type your this kind of prompt. Build a painting app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in single file. Add all painting tools like line draw, circle, rectangle and more. Add all colors. Add undo and redo icon. Add delete button. Make beautiful interface and make it for mobile devices. You can type here this kind of prompt. Now you can click on this button. Guys, you need to wait some time. DeepSeek platform will generate HTML code for painting app. Here you can see DeepSeek platform has generated HTML code for paint application. You can click here to run this HTML code. Guys, here you can see preview. You can select pencil. You can draw here anything. You can select line. You can draw here line. You can choose any of this color. You can draw here circle. You can draw rectangle. You can choose any of this color. You can also change brush size. You can also erase this rectangle. Guys, you can see DeepSeek platform has built a great paint application. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can use this HTML code to make website. You can go on Google and you can search your blogger. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, you can build your blogger website in free. You do not need to worry about hosting and domain. Blogger provides free domain and free hosting. You can simply click on create your blog button. You can use your email address to log in on blogger website. Now you can type your title. Now you can click on next button. You can type your unique URL. Guys, this blog address is not available. You need to choose your unique URL. Here you can see this blog address is available. Click on save button. Now you can click on theme. You can click on this icon. Now click on this button. Click on switch without a backup. Click on edit HTML button. Now you can remove all of this HTML code. In next step, you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now you can go on blogger website. You can paste here that HTML code. You can click here to save this HTML code. Click here to go back. Now you can click on view blog button. Here is showing website. Guys, here is showing navigation bar. I'm going to off this navigation bar. Go on blogger, click on this icon. Now click on this button. You can scroll down, select this option. Click on save button. Now you can refresh this page. Here you can see navigation bar has removed. Now you can monetize this website with Adsterra network. Here is showing URL of this website. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on Adsterra platform. You can click on this button. Guys, here you can see you can monetize website, in-app, or social media traffic like Facebook and TikTok. Here you can see what you get. You can get high CPM rates, regular payouts, browser-friendly ads, partner care program. You can type here your email address. You can type here your first name, last name. You can type your unique login ID. You can type your password. Now you can select your messenger type. Like you can select your Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. You can select any of this messenger. Now you can type your messenger ID. You can select here your country. Now you can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see 3 steps to monetize your website. Here you can see revenue. You can add your website. You can create ad unit and then you can copy and embed code. You can click on add website button. Now you can type here your website URL. You can go on Blogger website. Here is showing URL of this website. You can copy this URL. Now go on Adsterra platform. You can paste your website URL. You can select your category. Now you can select your pop under ad unit. You can click on add button. Guys, you need to wait some time. Your website will become active in about 3 minutes. Refresh the page to check the status. Here is showing status. This website is in pending. You can refresh this page. Now you can scroll down. Here is showing my website. Guys, here you can see this website is active. You can click on get code button. Here is showing code. Click here to copy this code. Now you can go on Blogger. Click on edit HTML button. You need to find out head code. You can paste here that code. Now you can click here to save this code. You can click here to go back. Click on view blog button. Guys, here is showing my painting website. If I will click anywhere, then pop under ads will be displayed. Here you can see Adsterra is displaying advertisement. So friends, you can use this method to monetize your website. You can monetize this website using pop under of Adsterra network. Adsterra network may display pop under ads. For that advertisement, Adsterra network may create your account. So friends, you can use this method to make website. After making website, you can monetize it with Adsterra network. You can add pop under ad unit on your website. If you want to learn more about Adsterra network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.